What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a video on my 1999 Honda Cr80. I've had this for a while, just haven't done a video on it. So today the issue is, well, that's not good. Oh my god. So I'm gonna have to take some of the plastics off and fix the muffler issue there. So I could not find the 10mm in there. Oh, what's the problem? Check back in a minute. Let me get these. So I'm not an expert, but I am pretty sure that whatever the heck this is not factory. I think a zip tie would be better in here. Let me get that crap off of there and see if I have a bolt I could run through. Okay, so we have a stripped bolt in here. That explains it. So we drilled out the hole and I put a bolt in there. This isn't very pretty at all and probably needs a washer, but it holds. Okay, so I just gassed it up and put the plastics back on. I'm not sure how I'm going to start this thing with the camera, but okay, this bee is annoying. Oh my god. So it's a 1999 Cr80. I got it for Christmas. I was saving up to buy myself a 250, but my dad bought me this little Cr80. It really isn't much. It's small, but it's definitely a lot of fun. And the only issue it has is like there's some oil seal thing. I'm not exactly sure how it works. I don't really work on bikes much, but somewhere in here a seal busted around the exhaust pipe, so it puts the two-stroke oil everywhere. But let me see if I can give it a start. Put the camera here. Choke out. I haven't ridden this thing in so long that I don't even remember where the choke is. So I hope you caught the start up. I'm recording on my phone. But here's the bike. Lots of fun. Okay. So yeah, that's my dirt bike. Wonder if it'll idle. I'm gonna go helmet up and get riding. I don't have a GoPro, so I can't really film myself riding. Oh, that's not good. So yeah, that's a great bike.